Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
This is Maithili Hajarika in Delhi, bringing to you the Northeast Eye for the print. Here we give you some snapshots on art, culture and literature from the 8 states of the Northeast, India's most diverse and most interesting region. The 3-day Kamel ceremony was held in Sikkim's Tholung Monastery recently after a gap of 8 years. The ceremony was last held in 2013 and could not be organized since due to natural calamities. The tradition, which has existed for over 2 centuries, is held every 3 years, during which religious artifacts and belongings of Latsum Chengpo, the founder monk of Sikkim, are displayed. These artifacts have been under the care of the Tholung family for centuries. Located at an elevation of 8,000 feet inside the Kanchenjunga National Park, the Tholung Monastery is considered one of the most sacred in Sikkim. Watched its original Hindi composition, a tribute to Mahatma Gandhi called Bapu by N.K. Naga from Nagaland at the Bharat Mahotsav that was held in Switzerland. Kugavi Naga, popularly known as N.K. Naga, also received the prestigious India's Youngest Masterpiece Award at the festival that was held in the last week of November. That's all we have for you today in the Northeast Eye. Please do tell us what do you think of this video. Do send in your suggestions and ideas and subscribe to the Prince YouTube channel. This is Maithili Hajarika signing off.